Well, hi there. Welcome to my daycare.
Come on in. Take a look around.
Hi there. Welcome to my world.
Come on in. Take a look around. Yes, it is small, but we do plan to expand and add more mini babies. I need about 3 cups of coffee just to get started in the mornings.
Hi, I'm Stacy, Kathy's daycare sidekick, and I do all of the work around here.
That's not true. She does nothing all day. And she loves that rocking chair.
Whatever. It puts the babies to sleep. Besides, where else would I hang out with the babies?
Now, about that tour. That's the kitchen. Stacy and the rocking chair. And the daycare.
Most of the kids are still sleeping because it's still kind of early in the morning. However, some of the babies are awake and just chilling out. The LOL toddlers are hanging out at the craft table. And Juliet, our other daycare nurse, is in the kitchen. Looks like one of our mommies is coming right now. And she's running late.
Good morning, ladies. I'm sorry we're running late. The traffic was really heavy this morning.
That's okay. Let me have my sweet baby. Good morning, Ava.
Okay. See you at 5. Bye.
Oh my. I think we have a new mini baby.
Let me help you with that.
Let's see which mini baby we have. I really hope we get the twins, or the high chair, or even the bassinet. We have 3 packets. Looks like we got the bassinet. And the strawberry blonde baby girl. She's beautiful.
Okay, let's put the bassinet together. daycare is full to capacity, I think we have room for one more mini baby. Let's see what it is.
Come on already. Let's open it. Let's see which mini baby we got.
Yeah, come on, come on.